Hi friends, how are you all? So today I will do this portrait of Bruce Lee in freehand and step by step. Okay, so if you want to learn how to draw a portrait, then watch the portrait drawing till the end, and you can draw with me because I will draw it slowly so that everyone can understand the process. Okay, and I am drawing this portrait on this paper. This is a pastel paper, earth tone from Brastro brand. Okay, and this is a woodless charcoal from Signiyot brand, and I'll draw this portrait on this paper and with this charcoal pencil. Okay, so let's start. Watch till the end. So I'll start from the eyes, from the eyebrows. I will draw slowly so that you can understand what I am drawing. The eyebrows moves from here to there. Look at the reference. I have stitched the reference the left side so that you can compare it. This is a pastel paper, so rough surface, and I will work slowly. Okay, where be my eye. As I'm doing the portrait in freehand, so please don't expect the result to be perfect and 100% matched. I am trying my best to do the portrait as it is, but I don't think that it will be 100% exact. Draw with me. Okay, and slowly the second eye. I'm not measuring anything from any method. I'm measuring from my eye. What I am seeing, I am drawing. This is the process of practice. You have to draw freehand. If you can draw freehand, then you are a good artist. Don't rely on any method like grid or something. Try to draw it freehand if you want to be a good artist. So my nose is here. I'm using only one pencil, only one woodless charcoal pencil from Signiyot brand. You can buy the pencil from Amazon. It's available in Amazon. Signiyot woodless charcoal. Now move on to the lips. Lips is different here. It's open. Let's see how good I can do. I'm doing it in very soft hand because the charcoal pencil is soft one. So I am putting very little pressure. And look at the way I am doing. I am holding the pencil. Now I'm holding like a pencil. Others time I am holding the pencil like I am shading. So this is the I don't think the mouth is Well done. It's not done yet. I'm trying to get the feel of the mouth, but I'm not getting that. Just draw the shape of the face. Yes, straight line comes where the shape is like this. So I have watched the portrait before start drawing for 15 minutes. So whenever you start draw a face, watch the shape of the face for at least 15 minutes so that the shape is in your mind. Let's set some portions. I am doing the hair now. Look at the hair shape. I will not do the portrait full. I am just getting the shape of the face and then I'll put it there. Look at the hair style. Very different hairstyle. There is some dark portions. This is not that good. Sorry to say, but it is quite different from the reference. Trying to reset some portions. I don't think that will be okay. This portion lip is like this. Cannot expect the resemblance to be 100%, but I'm trying. So my portrait is nearly complete. It's not very good, but I have tried. So let's done. Let's sign this. Thank you very much for watching. Tata, bye bye.